Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome to BMW Programming and Encoding channel on YouTube. We're working on BMW G30 and we're going to connect to the gateway ESIS. And it's on a F15. We put IP address here as is found in I2 radar. Copy this. Blah, blah, blah. I will check this box right here that say connection by icon, and then we, highlight this like this. They will press Control V to paste. And if the car has its I-step shipment written, we can click Read Parameters on DC. So we go here. As you can see, the I-step shipment is S15A. Car is it's coming out as a I-step shipment of 2017, but the month is November, so it comes out and release as of 2018. We go to expert mode, and in BCM tab we click master, and then we click read I steps. We click read FAFP. Alright. Then we right click, we click calculate vehicle profile. This is the FA. FA also is the vehicle order. Well, development code, development chassis, end vehicle looms, Bari in German means chassis, and end vehicle looms mean development. This is the upholstery code, and this is the lock code, the paint code, what color the car came, and this one is the upholstery code, and this is the type key, and then this one is the time criterion. The car has a 90 ampere hour battery, and these are the Salava elements here. These numbers they represent options in the car that are reflected here in vehicle options right here, number 9 in the vehicle profile window. So we can expand this, and we can see what the different numbers represent. 205 represent transmission, 212 represent blah blah blah. See that? National brake system. Alright, nevertheless, so we're gonna copy a file name. We save the vehicle name here. The VIN number is here. I think this is the VIN number for G30. We copy that. I think we saved the FA already for this car. Oh, I think it's right here. There's it. We saved it before, so we do not need to save it over again. Anyway, the owner said I should actually. Oh, this owner here is Hussein in Dubai, and he wanted me to program over the body domain controller. This body domain controller is a brand new body domain controller that I programmed last week for him. Alright, you see, we click VCM. Alright, VCM is not configured properly. So we can click read VCM, and we did, and we just click right here, say, we're gonna write SVP. Oh, we think we have one here before. This is this one. Override that, and then we calculate. We click complete flash right here in the KIS SVT target. SVT target is the target, I-level target, the R-level targets and the latest PSDZ data on the laptop, which will be found here. We make a shortcut for ESIS here, an MK link, which is right here. Main series, these are the I-level targets here. And as for the F30, let's see if we can find, now the G30, will be S15A right here. You can see the I-step shipment here, see? 2503 are the latest one. See that? It matched to this number right here. So that's what they call I-step target. I-step shipment is the I-level that is written to the car when the car is released, that take into consideration the development chassis type, S15A, for the G30, the G development chassis, G30. And then the year, which will be 2017 and the month of November. But the car will be released for the model year 2018. So that's what they represent right here as I-step shipment. When the car was first released on the factory, the month and the year. And then the year, 2017 is the year, and the month is November. And the version right here of the I-step shipment is 520. You can't go lower than this. I-step shipment target is the target. This is the latest files on the laptop, the updated files that we're gonna now calculate right here called sol. Sol means measure plan. Woo! Alright, went to watch my face and I'm back, so we're gonna save a CT here. We're gonna choose this one here, the same number of sol. Save. Alright, we have roughly your coding files will be written, see that? And then this one. So I do not know if the gateway is gonna be able to. I told him it's not gonna be able to. Alright, what him down here? Him thinks there's no more than me. Him said the algorithm in the BDC is not working right, so he thought that the control models, several control models not responding, the DME and the 2L light module and the iDrive controller and another module. I tell him that there's a buffering system on the car. It's giving him problem. Alright, warning 1680, no application data is available for blah 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 application data. Wow, application data. Error while switching to extended diagnosis. Let's see if we can come up with another one. That's the AD unit. I'm gonna mess around with that one. This is transaction list here, TAL sharp plus tau. We're gonna go back to export modus. We're gonna execute the command, we're gonna write a transaction list. But this file is the red one here, and this one, these are the updates. They're taken from this item target right here. Right here, that one. We have two of them, so we choose to use the latest on 2025. And give this guy the benefit of the doubt, blah blah blah. Because he thought that the algorithm in the BDC is not causing other models to respond. It's the wiring system on the car is faulty. And I told him already, he's not paying attention. You probably need to replace the rear electronic module. We choose the sol there. There's so many models going to be updated now, basically put out because of the latest algorithm target. We're going to choose the body here. Oh, the gateway is not included, only the body. So we're going to just look at the software units, which is the software files out there. There it goes. So we're going to write a software deploy SW deploy and a CD deploy. So we're going to know. Quick start. Alright, this will now come for you to make sure that the eye level shipment is correct. And then the eye level shipment is important. I think you see grayed out here, you can click on this, but these ones you can modify them. You know, these are modifiables, right? We go forward with this, and it's going to change over from ECU to log. Wow, so something terrible null. Fuck. It must be the head unit. I just open up the BDC. Alright, I don't know. Alright, just make okay, start writing the software flash file 5FA8 to the BDC. So brand new BDC I have programmed and encoded for him. I did that last week. So we're gonna wait and see what we do. We're gonna see if this new file updated on the BDC will cause the other control modules to react and start to communicate. I bet either it will not. The problem will be the wiring on the car. Junction box electronics is found in the BDC, but you have a rear electronic module that powers things like rear electronic module command other stuff that is in the midst of the car and the back of the car. Because of wiring length, they created a rear electronic module that also communicated with the BDC. So we're gonna run this study afterwards, and we're gonna see if this car carries a rear electronic module. Because maybe that's what needs to be replaced. If a car enters into a crash, maybe maybe something about the what do you call it? The pyrotechnic thing. I don't remember what they call it. Something has to be broken on the battery. Let me go here and see if we're gonna have one. Oh, red. Oh, wow. So we get our red. See that? We have here to write the coding file. See that? Let's see if we have success here. Let's see if we have any success. Let's go here and click read ECU. Let's see if we get all block. There you go. See that? All the files are blocked. Alright. This dude now, I tell him every friggin' thing is coded right now. See that? All of the gateway, all of the BDC gateway and the BDC, you know what I'm saying? Body, all of it has coded all the files. Only the DME appear to be programming. I don't know why. No, the DME show wrong hardware variant. Let us see why the DME is wrong hardware variant. First of all, you look at these two files, but they look the same. See them? This is the actual file, the blue one right here. That is in blue. Blue means the actual file read out from the current control module, the DME, and the car. And the red one is solid. Determine after you calculate this right here, measure flash spot, the cursor is not moving. So the two IDs are the same. 0000307E, they are the same. See that? So we're going to look at HWAP, hardware application. See that? This one is all black. Black means it's identical, right? So you don't need to compare it with any other file on the system. This file, HWAP, is not on the laptop. So once this is in black, it's okay. You just don't get it in blue. Everything comes in blue have to be of a red file to overwrite it. Red means update file. The blue means current file on the module. And yeah, alright. In order to solve this problem here, we have to click here hardware ID sub SDT actual. We have to click that. But I'm gonna scroll to see if there's any other control model that we have. Oh, there goes the two FLM front light models in red, not communicating. Alright. And also the head unit navigation too. This is head unit basic. See that? That's not even responding yet. And that's why we had to get the error information before about something about the head unit on address 63. It said the application data couldn't be read out. So that is why the head unit were not responding. Alright. See, these are also the LED modules right here. TMS, these are viscally. You see, all blue. I don't know, man. I don't know why. We just can't see nothing. I mean, it just really looks stupid. Let me go back down and look at it. Alright, this is ZB. See? Ah, that's why. The ZB is in red. The central body electronics. ZB is central body electronics. This sprouts need to be replaced. Oh, wait a minute. No. Sorry. This looks like it's central body electronics, but that's not what it really is. This is really the iDrive controller. This thing right here, ZBE. So I don't know why they call it ZBE for central body electronics, but really is really the iDrive controller on address 67. It's in red, it's not responding, so I think this car has some kind of warranty issue, you know? I'm gonna look at that. Well, I don't see any REM in the back here. There's no REM rear electronic module here. I don't see nothing for R. Alright, let's see if we can I don't know, I want to update the DME. Let me go up to the top. I'm going to look for the DME. right here. See that? It shows that the DME doesn't have a coding file. The DME, the coding file is cancelled this one. Once you get all F here and 25555 it means the coding file is not written. This is the one that we need to written. So right, we're gonna click other IDs of SED actual, and then we click save. And then we calculate over another tab. It's gonna come back with error for the L unit and address 67. Better. So here goes, click on the details. There goes, see there? Warning 1680. No application data is available for ECU ID PIA master on address 63. He said the error is while switching to extended diagnosis session because the model is not responding, the L unit is perhaps not responding. So that is the reason why we get that. There's an explanation for everything. So we're gonna try to, I know, see the DME now shows no more 2 green arrows, 2 green arrows here right here in the legend. Right here I'm putting the cursor shows hardware difference. Alright, since the hardware ID for HWEL mean hardware electronics is 307E and the red one determined by Sol is the same thing. We just click right here. Hardware IDs from SVT actual. SVT actual is all the control models came on a car with all your software units, these IDs in it. Alright, that's what they call SVT. Means system verbal table or system order table. The BMW control units with all your file system as is from the factory. Alright, so we're going to click on extended mode here and we're going to click on cloud processing. We're going to say, okay, another modular application has updated this file. Yes, because we have to recalculate the sol, and by clicking this one here, hardware IDs from the actual, and then we recalculate the tile. So we have to click yes and update the file. We have to update the previous file that we made. And then we uncheck this here. Let's just see if we can go forward and program DME. Let's just look if we can click start. Let us see if they'll go through the DME without an itch. Let us see if we write the coding file without an itch. It also have a null throw error right here again like it had for the previous. So let us see. Oh boy. 4 minutes 20 blah blah blah. Resolution on the screen on the B maximum. Okay, I don't see any percentage increase in the file writing on the DME. Shit, it takes so long. Oh, it's start now. So 2%, 3%, 4% start now. Boy, that shit make your heart beat fast when they don't see any numbers of the percentage progress. Want something to eat, and I gotta go to the coffee shop. It's 4 o'clock now. It's 1:03 now in Dubai. 1:03 p.m. in Dubai? Is that right? That don't look right, that look wrong. It can't be it can't be one, it's 4:03 now in Miami, so in Dubai showing me Dubai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's supposed to be 10 something. It's supposed to be 10:03 or 10:04 now in Dubai, right? Am I right? Supposed to be that shit. Oh shit, 12:04 in Dubai, 12:04 AM in Dubai. I don't know why this guy set his clock wrong, right here. Shit. Alright, coding file now written. We're going to take a little time, but it's almost finished. It's supposed to finish now. Maybe it's red. Yeah, but the files are written there. It's written on the model. So we're going to now wait and see. We're going to go out here, uncheck this. We're going to go back to expert mode, no, comfort mode. Click on that, click on tile calculator. We're going to click on read ECU. Let's see if the files are written, all black. Yes, the DME is restored. There it goes. Blue. Oh man, I'm so fucking lucky. Alright, dude, I'm gonna switch off ESIS now. Come on, man, this connection always give me bullshit, man. Shit, bro. Alright, what was in Dubai? Current location is Sharjah, Dubai. Alright, no big deal. And Dubai time right now would be UAE time now is 12:06 a.m. See that? 12:06 a.m. doesn't match this right here. It's usually 1:06 p.m. Really, it's really Wednesday now. It's pagan Wednesday now over there in Dubai, Middle East. Anyway, we finished restoring the DME. Let me text him. Alright, we're going to minimize this. We're going to open up now this one here. We're going to release the icon from the IP address. Reserve now, so going to turn to free. There it goes. Minimize that, we minimize this, and then we're going to run ISTA here. We're going to run our ISTA here. One click, and we'll start it. We're going to remove this from the taskbar here. That's the old one. Because I removed the location. This laptop is made by the Chinese people, so that is the reason why we have this problem here. Alright, see the programming data is now 4:52:40. Yeah, this is the one that I recently, I just updated this just a little while ago, probably about an hour ago. So we do already paid for that, so that's the file in ESIS I use to basically put updated the BDC and the DME. So we need to have flexray synchronization. So we're gonna see now if all the modules on the flexray is communicating with the BDC. Then I'm gonna try to initiate flexray synchronization. It should go through successfully, but it's just one module: EPS, ICM, DSC, and the DME, and perhaps the EGS. If one of those modules is not communicated on the flexray, we're gonna fail flexray initialization successful. We're gonna fail. It's gonna fail. We're not gonna try to initiate it. Flexray initialization responsible for resetting the clocks in all the control modules so that they can transfer their telegrams on time and it be tracked and so on. So that's what synchronization of flexray is. It's all about timing, bus timing, communication timing. Alright, we're gonna pause the video for now and let it read out deeper later. I'm gonna find myself doing something else. Oh my dude, respond here. I see it, bro. Good. Okay. We now see that what on it? There, let's see now. We have, it was more than one module not responding, you know? We have now the ZBE, this is the iDrive controller, this is the head unit, and this is the light module, headlight module, this one. See that? No, it was 4 of them. It was more of them. I think it was about 6. Let me see if I can let me see if I can improve. Let me go to service option. We're gonna go to service function. Oh, let me go back here. Let me explain something on the control unit tree here. I don't know why the control unit tree display like this. It's just looking fucking bullshit. I don't see it. I don't know why it's displayed like this. I hate how this looks. I don't know what to do to turn back this on to make it look like the normal way. You know, this is really bullshit right now. Data was unknown. Oh, really? Data was unknown. Really? Alright, these are on the flexray. These are on the flexray. BDC communicates on flexray to this and this and this and this. Alright, so we have roughly the ZGM communicates to the flexray with this, with the DSC with this, and the ATS. Yes, because they needed to have their clock synchronized all together. Alright, so if one of these modules like this, or this, the EGS or the DSC or the EPS is not communicating, we're gonna face flexray synchronization. So we go to vehicle management here, and then service function, click on the tab service function, and then we go. Let me perform a starter lock reset first, just in case, because we had program BDC get in, but we did it last week. So alright, it says starter motor lock was reset here at the top left here. Alright, it end test plan now. We can now go here to body, click the plus sign and extend it down, because to take a shortcut to the flexray synchronization. Let's see if we have flexray synchronization. Click continue. Alright, let us see here. We click it, so it's doing it. Oh wow, it's do communication with one of the modules. So the communication with the control unit has been destroyed. The control must be connected. The ignition must be switched on our pod mode activated. Yes, one of the control module. Which one? We're actually not talking to. It's kind of a bullshit. The DME does respond. Oh, it now worked. Oh, it worked now. The flexray and central gateway module were initialized successfully. Yeah, because I know the DME had programmed. It worked. We go through successfully. Let me type this to my boy. Yeah, usually you will see were not. You see, but you don't see not. You see were initialized. Oh, that's good news, man. The car should start now. Alright, end the service function. We're going to look at the trouble codes here. Just see if we have any transport mode active in the vehicle. Transport module active for the crash safety module, the airbag module, so we're going to delete that. Alright, you said transport mode for the lane changing is no. You look under the existence column right here. You see where it says right here. No. To show you that we don't have a link slave problem here now for the link slave on the headlight module. Interior, oh, this is for the interior light unit. So let's go back up top and let's just go down some more. It's clear now. You see like it's clear now. Whenever you click the existence column or you click on no, it gives you all no. You know, it shows you all no for all of the fault codes that you was previously generated. You see that? Oh, wait a minute, we have some yes now. Wait a minute. We have some yes here. We look at instrument cluster message for a condition-based service. Alright, that check control message comes up in the cluster and probably will be displayed on the CID. We have also engine fuel consumption status, blah blah blah. This is just for something that line disconnection here. Yes, you got to fix this wiring here. And we have transport mode active for the PSC and also for the airbag model. And we got to perform startup of this here. And it show you here no flexray initialization. It show yes. Why show yes? What I did perform flexray initialization. It shouldn't show yes here. I did perform it go successful, right? But I guess this was the previous, so I have to delete the fault code and I said we get back this one right here. The fault code here, number 40 is 801 C60. So we have yes now. But if we remove the fault codes, let's see if I can save a copy of this fault code. Maybe something that we should analyze later. Alright, let me gotta make a copy. Two of them. Open up my keyboard. Gonna arrow here, gonna click. Oh come on man. Shit, fucking these internet all this screwed up, dude. Fuck man. I just hate this shit man. These fucking internet always fucking weak. Alright, that's the second fault code is I'll save it for now. Alright, so we're gonna look at compressor clutch line disconnection or short circuit vehicles. Yes, open. What if a short circuit is doing that, man? We have a whole heap of shit here, dude. Alright, let me see if I can go back to service function again, and we're gonna go down to this one here. Go down to maintenance and pre-delivery check. We click on that there. It's loading up all of what it has contained. And here we have set transport mode. We're not going to do that. We're going to delete transport mode. buy me some pot here. No, yo. Need some hot pot in the rain or fall. Alright. The service history query record multiple attempts. Yeah, we are not online. This software is not connected to the online AO system. Alright, did you transfer money and carry pre-delivery check? Yes, we're gonna do that. So we're gonna do all of that, blah 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 here. Pay attention, we won't go past. This is the voltage is below 12.6 or 12.5. See? So we're lucky now. Yeah, the voltage have to be above 12.5 for we to go forward with delete and transfer mode and the rest of the service function. So if the voltage is below 12.5, it's gonna give us a dialog box that says blah blah blah, we can't go forward. We should put on battery maintainer. Alright, we're gonna start pre-delivery check. The transport mode of our control unit is disabled. Data and time of the diagnostic system are entered in the vehicle. The annual kilometer setting is reset. The phone numbers for dealer service are exchanged and technical support roadside assistance are entered into the vehicle. Yeah, so we're going to do all of this right now. Alright, vehicles with option 6AB and option 6AE. A request to activate the alarm services may appear. Alright, we see that before. Alright, no big deal, buddy. So we're gonna. Alright, display the starter exhaust gas test card activated. Now display, deactivate. Display of starter exhaust gas test is currently activated. Starter exhaust gas test may only be activated in China. Deactivation in vehicle is only possible. Starter exhaust gas test is inactive in the coding. Deactivation in vehicle is only possible if statutory mean law, statutes made by a government that require exhaust gas test is inactive in the coding date. But for California it has to be active. I don't know, display of starter, let me see, I don't know, display of it. I don't care, I'm gonna click now, I'm gonna go forward with it. Alright, use statutory exhaust gas test interval. I don't know. Should I say no? I don't want to go forward with that shit. Ah, boy. No, I don't want to enter it. I don't know. I'm not doing any smoke test right now. I'm not in California. This car is in Dubai. Alright, see that? The exhaust gas test and general inspection are regulated on a country-specific basis. Alright, so fuck, man, I don't want this shit to get. I really don't want to know. I don't want to shut up. Don't look at this. Let's see what. I choose any place. Any place. But service inclusive was successfully deactivated. Alright, adjustment of the dry dynamic sensor, the yaw sensor and the acceleration sensor. Alright, let's see what's going on now. Alright, adjustment of the driving dynamic sensor. Next, the control unit will be reset to apply new learned values. Alright. Alright, the adjustment procedure was successful. Cool, let me go back and take a look at it. Oh shit. Alright, the steering angle must be initialized. Let me text this dude. I'm waiting for his response. Let me see what I'm going to do first. asked him, he answered back and he said yes, and I asked him, are you ready? I need a reply from the dude. Come on, man. Let me go forward here. If it fails, it fails. That's all I know. Oh, it's done successfully. Here it goes. Oh, that was quick. You probably turned it. Oh, you probably turned it. And, wow, some of it was good. Alright, we got check the state of charge of the 12-volt battery. So please wait. Wow, the state of the battery is 98%. Way to go. Oh, you started the engine. Oh, there it goes. You started the engine. Way to go. Okay, cool. Alright. We set up radio protect status, is it right here? The time and date set in the vehicle. Oh boy, bomb class system. I said we can't stand over there. Bomb class. Sure. If I keep the thing in the dog, I'm not done really bomb. Sure, I'm not done really something here. Alright, time and date is established in the vehicle. And all these things that are checked out here. Alright, phone numbers. Not on to the run. Just two things in it. That's not important for it. Alright, we're gonna see how much power for you now. 30. I'm gonna work out this shit on him. We're gonna do the car now. The car starting around. Alright. Anyway, go on. Thank you YouTubers to subscribe to my BMW programming channel. I'm out. Done. Yeah, after the vehicle found me. Thank you bro for your support. Really appreciate it. Alright, dude. Cool.